Come on, video. Tornado warning! Two stations, WMG 694, WRC 52.
This is National Weather Service Office in Tulsa. The preceding signal was a test of the No Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and a receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 12 noon local time. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver on good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings from in Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur, Maids, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okwuskie, Mulvey, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington, and in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington, in Missouri, McDonald, and Mary counties, and in Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery counties. This concludes this week's test of the No Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. We now return to our normal programming.
Yeah, she hasn't tested
at 11 a.m. at Springdale.